Hi, I am Stick Tom. Today is a normal school day. Or is it? I go to school. I have my bag, my books, and my milk. What do I have? I arrive at school. Students are quiet. Teachers look scared. Suddenly, a dinosaur walks into the school. The dinosaur is big. The dinosaur is green. The dinosaur is friendly. I look at the dinosaur. The dinosaur looks at me. I say, "Hello. Are you a dinosaur?" The dinosaur says, "Yes, I am a dinosaur. I am also a student." I sit with the dinosaur. I drink milk. The dinosaur drinks milk too. The dinosaur says, "I like milk. Milk is better than planets." Who drinks milk? We go to the schoolyard. Students play football. I kick the ball. The dinosaur kicks the ball. Boom! The ball flies to space. The teacher comes. She looks angry. Why is there a dinosaur in my school? The dinosaur says, "I am here to learn English. I am a student." See you in the next quiz.